In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your digital downloads WooCommerce. By the end, your store will limit access to files properly, ensure customers are logged in, and only grant downloads after successful payment. Start by signing into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left sidebar, hover over Products and choose All Products. Once the list loads, open the digital download product you want to protect. In the product editor, scroll to the Product Data section. Here you'll find the controls for download limit and download expiry. The download limit caps how many times a buyer can retrieve the file from their order, which helps prevent link sharing or unlimited re-downloads. The download expiry sets how long the file link remains valid after purchase, expressed in days. Pick values that match your store's policy and level of protection. For example, a reasonable limit and a time window that gives customers enough flexibility without leaving links open forever. When you're satisfied, scroll back up and click Update in the top right Publish panel to save the product. Next, look back to the left panel, hover over WooCommerce, and select Settings. At the top of the Settings page, go to the Products tab, then open Downloadable Products. Make sure Downloads Require Login is checked. This ensures only authenticated customers can access downloads from their orders, closing a common loophole where shared links might be used by guests. Also check Grant Access to Downloadable Products after payment. This prevents downloads from becoming available on pending or failed orders, so customers only receive files when the order has actually been paid. Click Save Changes at the bottom left to apply these safeguards. Now move to the Accounts and Privacy tab. Enable the option that allows login during checkout so customers can sign in while placing an order. Also enable the option that allows customers to create an account during checkout before placing their order. These two settings work hand in hand with the Downloads Require Login rule you just enabled, making sure customers can quickly log in or create an account and still complete their purchase without friction. Once again, click Save Changes at the bottom left. With these changes, your files are protected by download limits and expiry. Your store requires authentication for access, and downloads are only released after successful payment. This combination balances customer convenience with strong control over digital assets. If the wording of options looks slightly different, it may be due to your WooCommerce version, but the intent remains the same.